Hi children, now we are going to learn about numbers 41 to 50. Okay, that is our fourth chapter. Okay, numbers 41 to 50. Okay, we know no children, we know about what numbers from 1 to 40 up to 40 we know. Okay, from 1 to 40 we know the numbers and also the number names. Okay, now we are going to learn about number after 40 what will come. Okay, after 40 what number will come, that we are going to learn in this chapter. Come, we will see, come we will learn about that. See here, we know this is what? 110. Okay, this is what? This circle makes 110. That means how many beads are? This is the what? A chain. If you consider it as a chain of beads. Okay, in this how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this what? Chain there are 10 beads are there. That means 10 ones are there. See, 1, 2 like that, 1 ones like that, 10 ones are there. Okay, so this chain makes 110. That means 10 ones makes 110. That we know, no children? That we know, no? Okay, see here, 10 ones makes 110. Okay, that means this is 110. This is also 110. This is also 110. This is also 110. So how many tens are there here? 4 tens are there. And see here, one bead is left here. Okay. See here. So how many ones are there? We consider one bead as 1. Okay, 1. So 4 tens plus 1 makes what? 41. What? 41. That is 41. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Okay, what's the spelling of 40? That you know, no? F-O-R-T-Y. 40. O-N-E 1. 1, 2, 3 spelling you know, no? Okay, you know. Okay, 1, 2, 3 up to what? That spelling you know. So you write 40 spelling and this is 41. Okay, understood. Come, we will see the next one. Look here. Here, how many tens are there here? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. There are 4 tens are there. And how many ones are there here? See here, 1, 2 ones. There are 2 ones are there. 4 tens plus 2 ones makes 42. Okay, F-O-R-T-Y-T-W-O. 42. Okay, 42. 42. So after 42 what will come? 43. Okay, 41, 42, 43, 44, like that it will go. Okay, come we will see the next one, 43. See how many tens are there? 4 tens are there. So 4 tens, how many ones are there? 3 ones are there. So 4 tens plus 3 ones makes what? 43. 43. Okay, 43. Understood children? So how many tens and how many ones makes 43? 4 tens and 3 ones makes 43. Okay. See here. How many what tens are there? 4 tens again. And how many ones are there? 4 ones. Okay. So 4 tens and 4 ones makes 44. 4 ones, 4 tens plus 4 ones makes 44. Okay. Understood children? Come, we will go to next page. Turn that page children. See here, how many tens are there? This one what chain makes 110, that you know. So no need to count again and again this how many beads are there in this. This 10 indicates 1 tens. Okay. So how many tens are there? 4 tens. So 4 tens and how many ones are there? That ones you should count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones. So 4 tens, 5 plus 5 ones makes 45. Okay, 45. How much? 4 tens plus 5 ones makes 45. Come, we will see the next number. After 45 what will come? 46. So how many tens and how many ones makes 46? 4 tens and 6 ones makes 46. Okay. Next, how How many what? What's the number? 47. So, how many tens and how many ones makes 47? 4 tens and 7 ones makes 47. And next one, 4 tens and how many ones are there here? 8 ones makes 48. Okay. And 4 tens and how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 4 tens plus 9 ones makes 49. Okay. Now, we will see the next number. Look here, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tens. How many ones are there? There are 0 ones. So, 5 tens plus 0 ones makes 50. Okay, 50. 5 tens plus 0 ones makes 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay, understood children. What's the spelling for 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. See here, how many tens are there? 5 tens are there. How many ones are there? 0 ones are there. So, take these 5 tens and 0 ones makes 50. See, this 0 no, that is our ones, and this 5 no, that is tens. So, 5 tens, 0 ones makes 50. From the number itself we can tell how many tens are there? 5 tens. How many ones are there? 0 ones. Look here in 49, how many tens are there? 4 tens. This place is the tens place and this place is the ones place. Okay. See, 9 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place. So, how many tens are there? 4 tens and 9 ones makes 49. Okay. Understood? And 4, see if you take 48, 4 tens and 8 ones makes 48. Understood children? Now, you know no? You know now number from 41 to 50 and also the number names for that numbers and also how many tens are there and how many ones are there in the number. Okay. And how many tens and how many ones makes that number, that you know, that much you know. Okay. Understood children? Understood now? Come, we will go to the assignment sum. We will see the assignment sums. Okay. Assignment 1. Do as directed. Okay. Come, we will see the question first. First main, write the numbers from 41 to 50. Okay. We should write the numbers from 41 to 50. We know now children, come we will see that. Okay. How to write the numbers from 41 to 50. Come we will know. Right. See 41 is there here. So, we will go to next number. What is the next number after 41? What will come? 42. After 42, 43. 43 is here. So, no need to write that. After 43, 44. After 44, 45. After 45, 46. 46, 47. After 47, 48. After 48, 49. After 49, 50. So, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay children, understood? So, in this way you should do the next thing. Okay, you should write the numbers from 41 to 50. Okay, come we will see the next main. Read the question. Write the numbers from 50 to 41. 50 to 41. We know 41 to 50 we know. How to write for 50 to 41? That means we are writing the number in descending order. Okay. Descending order means what children? That is we should write the numbers from big to small. Okay. Big to small. So, see here 50 is here. 50. Before 50 what will come? 49. 49 before 48. 48 before 47. 47 before 46 is there. Before 46, 45. Before 45, 44. Before 44, 43. Before 43, 42. Before 42, 41. So, we should write the number in what? Numbers in descending order. See here 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Okay. So, we are writing the numbers in descending order here. Okay. Understood, children? So, see here one more thing is there. You should write that. Okay. On your own you should write the numbers in descending order. That means what? From 50 to 41. Okay. Understood, children? Do it. Okay. And in your classwork you should write the what? Number name as well as the number. Okay. In your classwork, take your classwork, put the what? Chapter number, chapter 4, and write the chapter name. Okay. Numbers 41 to 50 and write the numbers like this. See here, no need to draw this. Okay. You should write like this. See, 4 tens like this. Go to the front page. See here, what you should do? You should write see here, write the number name and write like this. 4 tens plus 1 makes, okay, like that you should write in your classwork, okay children, so that you can read that, okay. So, in your classwork, first you write the number like that. See here, number, you make 3 columns and write number name, okay, and this one you write number name. You put 2 columns and write all the numbers from 41 to 50 and also you write the number name, okay children. So, if you do not know, you ask your mother or father to guide you, okay. Tell them to put a column and you can, then only you can understand the thing, and this also you write, okay. See, 41, 4 tens plus 1. What is 41? 4 tens plus 1. So, that one also you write, okay. 3 columns you put and you write all these things in your classwork. After that you start the assignment, okay children. Come, we will see about assignment 2, okay. Assignment 2, see that this type we did in what? Before chapter 3, like that you should write the numbers in what? Yeah, that you should write in descending order. See here, the numbers are in descending order, so you should write, okay. This one I taught you in the last chapter, chapter 3, okay. Numbers what? 31 to 40 in that chapter I taught you, no, you do that, okay. And you answer the questions, what are all the questions given here, you do it on your own, okay. Look here children, the questions are there like this, okay, you should answer it, okay. Come, we will see the assignment 3, okay. Match the following, okay. We should what? Match the following. See here, the numbers are given here, okay, and how the number, we get the numbers that we are here, okay. How many tens are there and how many ones are there, no, those are all given here. So, we should match the number with the, okay, the numbers, how many tens and how many ones are there, that we should match. So, that I told you to write to learn the what things, how many tens and how many ones are there in the number, okay. I told you to write in the classwork, no. So, for this purpose only, okay. Without knowing that you can't able to answer this, okay children. Come, we will see, come, we will match, okay. Look here, what's the first number? We know 50, okay, 50. So, how many ones and how many tens are there? Look here, 5 tens and 0 ones are there, 0 ones are there in 50. So, where is 5 tens and 0 ones? Here only 5 tens are there, 0 ones are there, not there. So, how to match? No need to worry, okay. So, 0 ones is nothing but 0. So, no need to write that, okay. You can write just simply 5 tens, okay. Understood children? So, 50 is nothing but 5 tens. Come, we will match it, okay. So, 50 is nothing but 5 tens. Next was the number 42. See here, 42 is nothing but 4 tens and 2 ones, okay. And 48 48 is nothing but 4 tens, 4 tens. This is tens place, this is ones place, okay, in the number. See, how many tens are there? 4 tens, and how many ones are there? 8 ones. So, where is 4 tens and 8 ones? Find it out. Look here 4 tens and 8 ones. So, match it. Match it, children. See, understood? Okay. See, in this way we should match the number with the how many tens and how many ones are there in it, we should match. Okay. Do 3 numbers are there, you do it on your own. Okay. Then only you can understand. Come, we will go to next page. Assignment 4. What's the question? First read the question properly, so that only you can understand the question and answer the sum. Okay. Count the beads and write the number. So, what we should do? We should count the beads and we should write the number. See, this has been done for you. Come, we will go to the next one. Okay. What we should do? We should count the beads and write the number. Okay. How many tens are there here, children? See, how many tens are there? 4 tens. So, that 4 tens you write in tens place, 4 tens. Okay. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there, that you write in ones place. So, what is the number? 4 tens, 4 ones makes 44. Okay, 44, that is the number. Okay. Come, we will do the next one. How many tens are there here? 4 tens, that you write in tens place, 4 tens. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones are there, that you write in ones place. So, 4 tens and 5 ones makes, what's the number here? 45. Okay, 45. Understood, children? So, in this way, you should do the remaining sums. Okay. Understood, children? So, okay. So, count the beads carefully. Okay, so that you won't, you will, then only you will get the correct number. Understood? Okay, children. So, do it in this way. Okay.